Coupa app. The pros, the cons. Coupa app is a cloud-based spend management platform designed for enterprises to control procurement, expenses, and supplier payments. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just an expense tool. Coupa also manages budgets, approvals, and compliance. On the pros side, Coupa allows companies to track spending in real time, automate purchase orders, and enforce compliance policies. Employees can submit expenses and invoices digitally, while managers can approve or reject requests efficiently. Integration with ERP systems ensures accurate financial data, and reporting dashboards provide actionable insights into company-wide spend patterns. On the cons side, Coupa can be complex to implement, and pricing is typically higher than small business solutions. Some users report a learning curve for employees, especially when using advanced analytics or reporting features. In conclusion, Coupa app is ideal for enterprises looking to optimize procurement, expense management, and compliance. Its automation, integrations, and analytics make company-wide spend visibility and control more efficient than traditional manual processes.